Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to Abron Public School at home. Children, in previous class I told you in Elgaet about SR 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is about Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Okay children, so today we will learn SR 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Before start this, let's learn good habits. Children, we all should exercise regularly because it makes our body healthy and strong. It makes our muscles and bones very strong and makes working very smoothly. So children, we all should make a habit to do exercise regularly. Now let's come on page number 44, Elga 8 book SR 15. Children, the next Indian Nobel Prize winner. It is authorized by Sumit Mehta. Here I am telling you the three Indian scientists to win the Nobel Prize: Hargobind Khurana, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, Venkat Ramakrishnan. Okay, children. So 14,489 Nobel Prizes have been awarded to scientists in the last 116 years. India has the second largest population in the world. And who is first? First is China. It has 30 lakhs students graduating every year. One would expect a lot of them to become scientists, and some might do great research to win the Nobel Prize. In the last 116 years, only one Indian scientist has won the Nobel Prize. C.V. Raman won the award in 1930. Since then, three other scientists of Indian origin have won. Hargobind Khurana won it in 1968 as a US citizen. Okay, children? What is the meaning citizen? A person who belongs to a particular country, that's called citizen. Subramanian Chandrasekhar won it in 1983 as a US citizen, and Venkat Raman Ramakrishnan won it in 2009 as a UK citizen. All three were born in India but won it as another country's citizen. So compare this with the USA. 243 scientists on the USA have won the Nobel Prize for Science. The population of the USA is one-fourth that of India. What can explain the wide difference between the two countries? There are a lot of factors. So there are more people, poor people in India than the USA. Therefore, instead of completing education, they focus on getting a job. So here we can look on this next page, the country and the Nobel Prizes won by them. United States 265, United Kingdom 84, Germany 63, France 51, Sweden 29 and India 11. So the majority of schools in India promote rote learning. Rote learning, ratification. Fewer Indian students study pure science. Most go for engineering or medicine. That is why India has not won many Nobel Prizes in science. How long will India wait for its own citizen wins a Nobel Prize? Do you want to grow up, become a scientist, and win it? So, children, we all should have aptitude to become a scientist and won Nobel Prize. Now look page number 46. In this I will tell you the form of the verb in a sentence. Tell us when an action takes place. There are three main verb forms. Which one? Past, present and future. Okay children? So past is that should like yesterday. An action that took place before the time of speaking. Okay, children, I am speaking this time, but it was finished in back time. Present means today, an action that takes place regularly or a fact. And future, that an action that will take place after the time of speaking. Okay, children. Here, look the example. I walked to school yesterday. So, walked is the verb. What is verb? Walked. Usually add an ed at the end of a verb. It is second form of verb. Now look, present. I walk to school every day. There is no change because it is first person. Now look, future. I will walk to school tomorrow. Here we will add will in front of the verb. So some verbs are main verbs are two types, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Okay, children. So what are regular verbs? I told you in previous class also, in previous year, about verbs, irregular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs that have like walk, walked, walked. Okay, children. Learn, learned, learned. It is its second and third form made by adding letter ed. Okay, children. And irregular form verbs like Ram ate his breakfast. In ate is the verb. Here is the whole verb changed like ate. Look, Ram eats his breakfast, so it is first form and it's also change. Ram will eat his breakfast. Here add will in the front of the verb. So these are irregular verbs that changed in each forms, like first form is different, second form is different and third form is different. These are irregular verbs. Now open next page. Here is a list of some of the verbs which are irregular. Therefore, instead of adding ed to the verb, indicate past form the entire verb change. Like second form is wrote and present is write and future is will write. Ate, eat, will eat. So now children learn, read and learn these verbs. So verbs of state of being. Verbs of state of being am, is, are can be converted into past, present and future tense as shown below. Like here are some pronouns I, you, we. So what are pronouns, children? I told you that the words which are used in place of a noun is called pronoun. Like I, you, we, they, she, he, it. These are pronouns. So in past we'll use was. In present we'll use is, am, are, and in future will be, shall be. Okay, children. So with singular number we will use was, in present is, and in future it will be. Like I was happy, I am happy, I will be happy. You were angry, you are angry, you will be angry. Okay, children. So revise this concept. Now open next page. Here are some whole words. So children practice reading these words at home, like little, apart, able, thing, no, since, and read and learn. Try to write also in a dictation form. Children, so your 6th unit is finished today. So learn all the answers and I'll send you exercise solution also that you can match from your work. Thank you. Have a great day.